Hello my sweet friends, welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day themed wreath using this sign from the Dollar Tree and these ribbons from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is a 12-inch wire work wreath frame. I got that from Hobby Lobby. So what I want to do is I want to go through and put some pipe cleaners through the two middle bars. I'm going to start at the crossbar. Do one in the middle. And I do use two of the bars because this way it has a better chance of not moving on you. So anyway, I'm going to add these 1, 2, and 3 and keep going until I make my way to the other side. So I got them all on, and like I said, I've wrapped them around two of the middle bars, and I added 10 pipe cleaners. I just started at one of the crossbars there and just made my way all the way around. Next, I'm going to take up this Polypro mesh ribbon, and I think I want to do ruffles. I think I'm going to do ruffles all the way around. So I know I'm going to need 10. I think I'm going to do 20 inches. So I'm going to cut 10 pieces of this deco mesh at 20 inches each. Now that that's done, I'm gonna make my ruffles. They call them, I've heard them called ruffles, cruffles. What I do is I start on one end, and I'm gonna roll it up a few times, then walk my fingers down to the middle, and I'll roll up this end, squish it, and it's gonna go in one of these pipe cleaners down, so the same side down. Show you one more. Roll it up a couple times on one end. Your thumb and your middle finger, your thumb and your index fingers. Walk it to the other side. Turn that in. Pinch together. And seam side down. And twist tie it off. Alright, so I've cut my ribbon tails. I have 10 of each ribbon, and they are 12 inches long. I cut them out and dovetailed the ends, along with the orange burlap that I have. So now I'm going to take a piece of the orange burlap and a piece of the ribbon, find the middle, pinch it in, find a pipe cleaner, and put it in. Just like that. And I'm going to do that all the way around. So I'll show you one more. I have the orange on the bottom, the green, white, and orange on top. Find the middle, make like a bird, pinch it in, and put it in the pipe cleaner. Alright guys, what do you think? Pretty colors, huh? I had already had cable mounts on this sign already, so I'm just going to use some pipe cleaner. How do I want to do this? Let's go up and down. But before I attach my sign, I think think I'm going to go through and trim up these pipe cleaners and tuck them back down. Right now, I'm just going to lay it on top. I don't want to smash my wreath, I want to lay it on top. Flip this around, find my pipe cleaners, and I'm going to feed it through the bar. Give it a couple twists. Do the same down here. Now before I twist it all the way and trim it off, I want to make sure it's not flattening my wreath or it's just where I want it. I want it in the middle. I'm going to loosen that up a little bit. There we go. Possibilities are endless. You could add the lights to it. I probably will not. But I think what I am going to do is put some of these shamrocks on there. You know what? I don't even think I'm going to do that. I think it makes it look cheap. So just a basic, simple, rustic St. Patrick's Day wreath. I'm going to put it on the door so you folks can see it. Friends, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.